today. M is for monkey swinging up high, jumping from tree to tree in the sky. M is for monkey so playful and wild, swinging and dancing just like a child. Scratch your head and make a funny face, clap your hands and jump in place. And M is for moose with an antler so wide, walking through forests with strength and pride. M is for moose, tall and strong, marching slowly, stomping along. Let's march together, 1, 2, 3, big antlers up just like me. N is for nightingale, singing a tune under the stars and the shining moon. N is for nightingale, listen so clear, tweet tweet songs lovely to hear. Flap your wings and sing so sweet, dance to the rhythm, move your feet. And N is for newt, a lizard so small, crawling near the water, can you see it all? N is for newt, so tiny and cute, crawling and swimming, it's in pursuit. Wiggle your fingers, crawl like a newt, slide through the water in your little suit. O is for owl, wise and awake, hooting softly as the stars break. O is for no, hoo, 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 turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night, be an owl so wise and bright. And O is for octopus, swimming with flair, with 8 long arms waving everywhere. O is for octopus, swirling around, 8 arms spinning, making no sound. Wiggle your arms like the octopus do, swimming the ocean, me and you. Nightingale, learning it's fun in every way. Jump, march and dance, it's never a bore. Come back soon to learn some more. You did a fantastic job, littlers. See you next time for more fun letters and songs.